Hey guys, welcome back to Guy with Samuel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import a workflow in n8n. So guys, start by going to the overview and select any existing workflow or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Next, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Sometimes it might be nearby. Click on the three dots and choose Import from URL. You can also import a workflow from a file if you prefer. Now, paste the URL of the workflow you want to import into the box. Make sure the URL is correct, then proceed to import. And that's it guys, your workflow will be imported successfully. If you found the guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.